Today promises to be another long day of riding, which means stretch a lot and get a good breakfast. The breakfast spread is beautiful and a pastry delight, together with strong coffee. I'm ready. After breakfast, we quickly pack up and hand off our suitcases to Laurent. We'll make sure that everything makes it to our next destination, a rustic farmhouse around Radicofani. As you can see, we're saddling our horses and checking girths before we set out on another day's adventure. The audio wasn't so good, but yes, this is a Roman road. Specifically, this is a pilgrimage route. It is called the Via Francigena, the road that comes from France. It is also known as the Via Roman Francigena, the road to Rome that comes from France. This is an ancient road. Basically, this is a medieval times expressway running from the cathedral city in Canterbury, in England, through France and Switzerland to Rome, and then on to Al Pulio, Italy. This is where the faithful embarked to go to the Holy Land.
It's a perfect day. Beautiful. Molto bene. Io. Molto bello. Okay.
Italian is supposed to be easy, but I slaughter it. It's so new for me. I speak German and English, but I would like to learn Italian, Spanish, and French before I leave this life.
I feel so lucky. So blessed.
Well, here's a fixer-upper. See the hill in the distance? Behind it is Sovano. That is where we started. Behind us to the left is the Castle Procino, from where we started this morning. Way off in the distance to the right is the next castle and the farmhouse where we are staying tonight, the Radicofani.
Yeah, up there, past that satellite place there. That's where Savannah is, below there, on the other side, right? Yeah.
Where are we going?
No, we're not going there. No, we're not going
Noi veniamo da Sovana,
Yeah.
sono andati Proceno, sta lì,
Sì.
Sovana, Proceno, e
Yeah.
adesso andiamo Radicofani, così.
Yeah.
Sovana, Proceno, Radicofani.
Okay, so we are gonna go there, but we're gonna go sideways. We're gonna go to Savannah there.
Ok? E questi qui sono gli Appennini.
Appennini.
Gli Appennini vanno tutti i paesini di Villa, tutti insieme, assieme solo.
How lucky we are to travel a road that was built by the Roman civilization several thousand years before our arrival. A beautiful sunny day and a heart full of gratitude for the good health we have that we can even do this adventure. The thought can serve to remind us how transitional we are. Like the travelers on this road 1,000 years before us, they came and went, and so will we. But isn't it everything that you can get out and do something like this? Something that will stay in your heart and in your mind and in your body forever. We just finished a really long gallop. I did not turn on the camera for it, so, but it was long and it was quite fast. A lot of fun. We're heading into a cattle ranch with a river that we need to cross.
Watch your footing. Where they're crossing
The gate is shut, and Dushka headed off to find us another way out, and then we crossed the river. Ombra is very unsteady, unsure of herself because Tranquillo, Dushka's horse, has left her sight. I reassure her. Insecurity seems like such a human trait, but animals are a lot like us. They have insecurities too.
All the other horses are so relaxed, and Umbra's looking around like, where is he?
We crossed the more tricky part of the river, and now we're just standing around getting a drink. These trekkings, they teach you to bond with your horse and make him or her feel secure in these changing surroundings. This means you too are feeling secure enough to make your horse feel secure. And even if you are an insecure person, you will learn not to be. Trekking is emotional and physical training. This is why I do it and why I promote it to others. Besides that, it's just darn fun. It's getting close to lunch, and we will stop to get water for the horses in this village. Made a table in a clearing. We tied up our horses in the olive grove, and we took a much-needed nap after eating, in whatever shade we could find. Soon, with longer shadows, we were off and riding again. I think it's hard to see that the landscape is getting steep on the film, but whenever we stand up, that's a clear indicator.
Yeah.
We are nearing the farmhouse. We'll unsaddle and we'll feed the horses. I will give you a quick look around our living room and the eating area. The food was fantastic, and really she kept on bringing dish after dish. Altogether, this was a beautiful, impressive, soul-quenching day, and I'm ready to turn in. I hope that you watch the next video and you hit like and subscribe. I have a lot of new adventures coming up. I'll see you on the other side.